Alright, today I have an Ulanzi UKA Foldable L-Bracket right here. It's UKA08. I'm going to be unboxing this and attaching this to my camera so you can actually see it in play. Now I got this right here because I can switch between this foldable L-Bracket. I could switch between 16:9 format to vertical quickly in camera without having to do much with it. So I'm going to flip it on the back first, and you can see how people have actually used this in vertical and horizontal settings with a simple press button feature. Very, very, very useful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the Ulanzi and pull this out. And with the Ulanzi right here comes an Allen wrench for tightening. Very handy. And inside is the Ulanzi. I'm going to go ahead and look at it really quickly. So you can't pull it apart, and why is that? Because there is a locking mechanism that prevents it from doing it. So what I do is I simply go ahead and press this, and it opens up and it goes to vertical. So you can quickly go to vertical if you have this on a tripod or whatnot, or just any sort of mount. Now you see right here it clicks in. You need to have a specific mount for this plate to go into, and this is actually a mounting plate. It snaps into place. So you have this right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and close it. Now when I close it, you have to press this button, and they have wording on the side that lets you know where to press. So I'm going to take this. It's locked into place for the vertical position. I'm going to press it, and it goes down. And once it goes down, it clicks into place to where it cannot be released. Okay, cool. So now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and take this mounting plate out, and I'm going to attach it to my camera. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and unscrew this counterclockwise, and pull this out. And right here, it's not a D-ring. Actually, you could use a screwdriver, flathead, or the Allen wrench, or hex wrench, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to go ahead and put this into place. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this in here. This is the mounting plate. Get it exactly where you want it. And then tighten it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into place. And you have to tighten it down with the screw. I could put a quick release on here to make the process a little bit quicker. But for the video purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this in right here. Alright, so once it's tightened in, it is locked, and in order for it to go vertical, simply press this button. Once I have it attached to stand, and just like that, you see that? It goes, it's vertical for vertical video, or I can press the button and it goes in just like that. A pretty cool feature. I wish I had a D-ring that went with it instead of this right here. And I might put a quick release plate on here just for swapping off and putting back on. So that is the Ulanzi UKA Foldable L-Bracket. Pretty cool feature to have if you're switching back from 16:9 to vertical. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.